Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to highlight an incredible feature of the Gamesir X4 Aileron controller. One of my favorite things about the Nintendo Switch is how easy it is to share the experience with someone else and enjoy local co-op games. All you have to do is detach the Joy-Cons, adjust the control mode, and you're ready to play. For the best experience, of course, playing in dock mode is a must. But what if I told you that you could get a similar multiplayer experience with another unique controller? The Gamesir X4 Aileron, which we reviewed in the last video, has a special feature that allows you to create a local multiplayer mode. A big shout out to CertainJunk35P, who inspired me to explore more of what this controller can do. I highly recommend checking out his channel for even more tips and insights. To access the Joy-Con mode, follow these steps. Press the Xbox button and the select button on the left controller. On the right controller, press the share and start buttons. Then, go to your Bluetooth settings and pair with the Ryan and Lila controllers, which are the default names for the left and right controllers. And there you have it. As you can see, I'm currently playing Mario Kart from the Nintendo GameCube, and both controllers are working perfectly after some simple mapping using the Dolphin Emulator app. I won't dive into the details right now, but trust me, it's pretty straightforward. If you run into any issues or need help with the setup, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. And lastly, don't forget, if you have a Type-C to HDMI adapter and your smartphone supports it, you can connect it to a monitor or TV for a bigger screen experience. This is a great option, especially when you're traveling and want to play with someone else. Highly recommended for the best co-op fun on the go. Just keep in mind the button layout on both controllers. Emulating modern multiplayer games can be a bit tricky since the button count is limited, and some of the triggers are located on the sides, which might make them harder to activate. However, for classic games, where controllers had fewer buttons, or for Switch games, this setup works really well. It's a fantastic option for having some fun with others on the go. See you on the next video, and remember to like it and subscribe to the channel if you want more content about mobile gaming.